My name is Shawn Moore, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Solodev. Solodev is the world's first on-demand web experience platform built for Amazon Web Services. Solodev was founded in 2006. We were originally founded for the public sector. We got our start creating web content management software for cities and counties. We then branched out into the corporate arena, working with large corporations across the country, and we've recently gotten back into public sector, and we're now working with K-12 in the education space. It's a platform for building large-scale enterprise websites, typically organizations with lots of departments or people with lots of complex restrictions or compliance issues would want to buy our software. We recently got into K-12, with our first customer being the Seminole County Public School District. Seminole County Public School District was recently ranked the second highest rated school district in the state of Florida. Today, more than ever before, public schools now have to compete for students. Parents have choices when sending their kids to school. They can choose between a private school, a public school. They can even choose from a public school in a different district. So now, public school needs to make sure that their web presence, their marketing, their branding, their advertising is now on par with that of the private schools. We re-envisioned what a new public school website would look like, and we were very successful with the Seminole County Public School District website. We've won several awards for this project, and most recently we've been nominated and won the City on the Cloud Award for Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services provided a way for us to deploy our software in minutes, not months. In 2010, we sought to redevelop and we really re-architect it from the ground up the way our software was built. It took us 3 long years to rebuild our software for Amazon Web Services. The really exciting thing about Solodev and Amazon Web Services is the technologies we use. When we say we're the first website content management system built for Amazon, that means a lot. We made an award-winning website for Seminole County. Second of all, we did it on a low budget. And third of all, we taught Seminole County how to build out the websites themselves. Solodev started out as an AWS Government Competency Partner. We then took our experience from this competency and we applied it to the Education Competency that was just released. The two competencies have a lot in common. Both competencies require high security, high accessibility, redundant disaster recovery, because both the public sector and the education, they're dealing with very sensitive data. The great thing about the AWS Education Competency is it allows organizations to shortlist vendors. AWS Education Competency has vetted numerous vendors across the country and put together a list of vendors that specifically have solutions for the education market. So now organizations looking to move to Amazon can already start with a short list before they make their short list. And Amazon has done a great job of vetting out the solutions to make sure they're at the highest quality of solutions for the education sector.